Hi guys, this is a video about fixing the lumbar support issue that is in the i3 seats. Many people have complained about it. Even myself, I've been having some trouble, and I've taken a towel and wrapped it up and folded it, and if I place it about in this position when I'm sitting in the seat, it does actually reduce any back strain fairly significantly. The comfort level goes up significantly. So I'm going to look at what we can do to try to improve this by actually putting some more padding inside of the seat and try to fix this problem. So I went to the local fabric store and found this 2-inch thick foam padding that's used for cushions and chairs and whatnot. It was actually on sale for around $10. And as you can see, it looks like it might actually do the trick if I cut a section of this thing out and put it in the back part of the seat, probably a 4 to 6 inch square of the material to try to replicate the thickness of that towel that I was using for the last several weeks to see if that actually fixes the problem. So we're going to try to put that in there next and see what happens. So using a plastic trim tool, these I bought at Harbor Freight, only cost about $7 for a set. Slowly work this way in here. I've actually got this side already loose and working my way up to spread this out. You can see that there's the connectors along the side here that need to be pried loose. Based on what I've seen online, it looks like getting the bottom loose is fairly easy, the top not so much, but I don't think we need to actually take the top part off. So we'll just work our way in so we can reach underneath to actually access the back of the seat. Okay, so using the spreader tool and prying it off on the back, starting at the bottom, working my way up. I did leave the top connected just because I've heard there's problems getting that off, so I left it. You can now see that inside of the seat area where the back of the springs are. So the goal here would be to push the foam insert piece that I cut out into that area and behind the metal springs, but in front of the existing foam pad, to add some lumbar support in that lower section about where the riding ends. So we'll do that next. So the width of the seat where the lumbar support needs to go appears to be about 12 inches or no more than 12 inches. So that'll be the width that we'll cut the material, and probably maybe 4 to 6 inches in this direction as well. So that'll be the size of the foam piece we'll cut out. So I just tried to look at the insulation of the piece I cut, and it's too wide to go in the back at 12 inches. So I cut it down to 9 inches, and we'll try this one more time. Okay, so after a lot of finagling, I was able to squeeze the cushion in between the wire frame and the front cushion area. And that's about where the lumbar support goes. So we're going to give this a try and see if that's in the right spot. Hopefully it is, and we're pretty much done. Okay, so after a few test drives and adjustments, I ended up putting one of those 3-inch blocks that I cut off the original block I put down here higher up in the seat, because there just wasn't enough support higher up, at least from what my back preferred. You may have to do your own adjustments based on what you need. So that's basically what it looks like at this point in time. I think I'm going to leave it at that and buckle things back up.